On December 1, 2023, a flight from Indianapolis to Las Vegas suffered an explosion in the number 1 engine which forced it to return to the Indianapolis International Airport. Passengers on that flight reported being terrified as the crippled airliner declared an emergency and turned back to the airport. This is the story recreated in a flight simulator with real voice transmissions and accurate flight paths.
South 2399, turn right heading 090.
090, Southwest 2399.
South 2399, I just plan to keep you within about 30 miles of the airport, so just let me know when you're ready to come in.
Couple of vectors, we need to burn some gas anyway, so this will work.
South 2399, turn right heading 140, vectors through the localizer. Southwest 2399, turn right heading 140, expect vectors through the localizer. South 2399, turn right heading 230. South 2399, turn right heading 320, vectors through the localizer.
Approach Southwest 2399.
South 2399, go ahead.
Alright, we're ready to take vectors for the approach. Just if you would, let the folks on the ground know. We will stop on the runway initially till we're cleared by the fire department, and then we'll be able to taxi you back to a gate from there.
South 2399, thank you. We'll pass that along. You're cleared back to Indianapolis via radar vectors. Fly heading 140 now, maintain 3000.
Heading 140, maintain 3000, Southwest 2399.
2399, 4 miles from Racing, turn right heading 200, maintain 3000, full establish localizer, cleared ILS for a 2 threat approach.
Southwest 2399.
Southwest 2399, contact tower 120.9.
399, thanks, appreciate the help. Tower Southwest 2399, emergency aircraft with you. We're on the ILS 23 right.
South 2399, Indy Tower, wind 140 at 10, runway 23 right, clear to land.
Runway 23 right, clear to land, Southwest 2399, and if you didn't get the word, we'll plan on stopping on the runway initially until we get clearance to taxi from the ground.
South 2399, roger, we do expect you to stop on the runway, and I'll give you a ground frequency once you are on the ground.
I appreciate that, thanks.
South 2399, when you're ready, ground on 121.8.
21.8, Southwest 2399.